Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This is our last 48 hours in Bangkok, where we spent most of our time Popmart shopping. Let's get it. What is up everyone? We're at a cafe by my condo. Go drop the car off. The rental car we've been using.
Jed, look at our friend.
Oh. Are you guys ready for a full day of Popmart?
Yeah, I cannot wait.
Yes! We're gonna have a big shopping extravaganza today. We're about to go in to the Popmart.
We're gonna be waiting for so long just to get nothing.
6, I don't know if you guys saw in Family of 6, they both had 2 bags each. The biggest bag you can get.
Yeah.
And I think it was it was like 10 bags in total. Eat at Lopburi, some Japanese cuisine. We'll be going to the Siam Center. Just got off the BTS. Now we're at Siam, the epicenter. Guys, Popmarts are actually taking over Thailand. Like, we're in the BTS. There's these pony figures. Look at this, they got the machine right here. Get all of your Popmart needs out of the way.
So overpriced.
Let's capybara. Even at this BTS station, you could see that Pops are taking over. They got Pops everywhere. Yo, we just got off the BTS. Where are we going, Sarah?
To your mom's house.
We have to look up what we wanna go.
We beat you.
Oh,
You're.
you saw.
We've been here.
So.
The best of the buds. You already been to Terminal 21, right?
Yeah.
This place looks so bougie. El
This
Gacho.
one looks fancy.
Dude, look at that steakhouse. It's 10 stories. Wow. See what's poppin'. They want to go to the Popmarts. You already know they're caught into the addiction of Popmarts. They're like children buying little pop figures and stuff. We're sitting in front of the San Francisco Bridge right now, just eating some ramen
Welcome to our California vlog.
Yeah, we're in San Francisco. Where's your disco?
What is it, Chris? What is it, Chris?
Whoa!
Oh, it's that one where they're mad at each other.
He wasn't recording. She said, let's go to that store with a lot of ball people. They're
Huh? Where? Wait, oh my god.
What?
That's so messed up.
She was talking about me.
Plants vs. Corpse. Roblox. Hope is
Not Transformer.
DVD toilet.
Not Transformer. Transmutation. Not Transformer. It's Transmutation.
This way. Going out of the mall now. It was a good experience. Yeah, we hit the gritty on the
On the way home.
My boy faded, bro.
Going to the night market. A few beers, Steve.
You already know. The night market, one of the big night markets out here in Frankfurt, though. day in Thailand.
I'm upset.
Why?
I don't want to go.
Why?
I don't want to leave.
Express your feelings on
I'm so
camera.
happy here.
Express your feelings. Tell my mom why you're sad.
No, don't say that.
Leave that in there. Don't cut that out.
So true. We're gonna go to Central World, get off at Siam, then maybe get some Shake Shack today, you know. Little bit of that American goodness.
What's up, vlog? We're going to Shake Shack. We're on the BTS. We're exactly
Yeah, that's gonna be our last meal in American restaurant.
we're exactly 24 stops away from Siam. Tiara said she wanted her last meal to be American food.
Well, Jed said the Shake Shack in Thailand tastes different.
Yeah,
He did say that.
We're gonna try the difference between the Thai and the American Shake Shack. We're gonna see. Got some real Americans here to test it.
And then we're gonna go eat some roti. All right, Tiara, it's the last day of the Thailand trip. What do you have with you?
I just bought another pop. I think a pop a day keeps my depression away.
That's so valid.
I like the artist. I like Casual Day.
A lot of favorites.
Secret. I want the secret so bad. Like I haven't opened the secret yet, and it's like I feel like I need to open one. Definitely. Who would have thought that I would have been addicted, bro?
But soon.
Fun, isn't it? Bro, is that the one on the box?
Oh wait.
No, it's not. Oh, that's cute
cool.
though.
All right, now we eat Shake Shack.
I got the Shack Stack, which is
Wow.
like they have this in America.
Looks good.
We should have got the Pandan shake.
If we're not completely full, we'll get it.
Yes.
I just don't think it's gonna be like.
It's gonna be like so hard
Pandan
to
is
take
good.
down a shake.
We never had fun.
Wait, which one's smaller?
Yeah, I don't. We're collecting all the adults.
I know it's way more work.
Last day in Thailand.
Wait, I want to go look at those stuff over there
Where? Why?
because they look cute, and all the girls with the aesthetic outfits are looking over there. So like
What would you rate the fashion here in Thailand?
10 out of 10, bro.
Really?
Yes. Do you remember when we went to the thrifting mall, and I swear to God, like everyone was like dressed like movie stars.
Would you say men's and women fashion is pretty much on par?
100%. Like if you're like into fashion, like a lot of people just wear like t-shirts and shorts, but when they're like dressing up, like painted nails, long hair, like men wear skirts, and it's like fashionable, and it's like fire.
What would you say the aesthetic is here
It reminds me a lot of
in
like New York.
2024?
I think it's like a lot. Obviously, it leads into like I think like the like general Asian like fashion, like Japanese fashion, Korean fashion, that type of thing, like Chinese fashion, and then a little bit of Western, like combined. So look at those tank tops.
So where are we, Jen?
Right now we're at Central World. It's one of the biggest malls in Thailand. They're buying us.
Tiara got the macaroon
She spent.
finale, grand finale.
I gave it.
She got the. She gave in.
So much money for this.
She gave in on the macaron.
Tell the crowd how much.
It's literally like a $50 keychain. Let's see it.
Okay.
What color do you want?
Pink or green? Or secret?
I want
Pink, green, or
So
secret?
if you get another one, you're gonna give it to me.
white
Soy
or
milk.
blue.
White.
Secret.
Soy milk. Yeah, I like to do. I want
The
soy
secret one's
milk.
like $200.
I want soy milk.
Don't look at the thing. Hey. Ready? Okay.
Oh, I see
did
blue.
get the blue one.
Oh, that's so
Oh,
funny.
I got the blue one.
That's
Holy crap.
That's really good quality.
Oh, it's so soft.
I just got my, I got the airport beer, Heineken, I got the French fries, and you already know I got them fish and chips, but I demolished it. I literally demolished it before I could even record. I was starving. So, we are on the way to the gate. I'm at gate over here, G5. So, my plane board's in about 20 minutes. We get to our first stop in Korea.